Welcome to our special breathing session designed for when you are on your period. Taking care of yourself during this time is crucial for easing any discomfort you may feel. Diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing, is particularly beneficial during menstruation. It has the power to quiet the mind and relax the body. Let's start by finding a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale slowly through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand as you fill your lungs with air. Feel the rise of your abdomen. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your abdomen to gently fall. Feel any tension melting away with each breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Continue this breathing pattern for a few minutes, focusing on the sensations of your breath and the gentle movement of your abdomen. With each breath, imagine releasing any stress or tension, leaving you feeling calm and at ease. Inhale slowly through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your abdomen to gently fall. Let's take one final deep breath together, returning to the present moment, feeling grounded and centered. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Now repeat after me. I deserve boundless happiness and vibrant health. One more time. I deserve boundless happiness and vibrant health. Gently open your eyes. Practicing belly breathing during your period can significantly improve your relaxation and overall well-being. Consider integrating this practice into your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day.